Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel of Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm room. I don't know. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a shape on the vlog in truth.
Conditional leave was grant section 110(2)(b to consider several jury issues to include the time at which the jury was allowed to deliberate, the failure of the judge to give instructions in light of not discharging the jury.
Viewers and subscribers, when conditional leave was granted, several major issues of concern were highlighted. One being the issue of jury and the management of said jury. Now, impartial jurors. It is every individual's right, once their case is being entered into a trial process, to have impartial jurors as long as there will be a jury that deliberates on that individual's fate. Now, an impartial juror, viewers and subscribers, or jurors, are those who are willing and able to consider the evidence presented at trial without preconceived opinions about the defendant's guilt or innocence, to apply the governing laws as instructed by the trial judge, and to deliberate in good faith to render a legal and functional, justifiable verdict. Now, in which world did Vybz Kartel case have impartial jurors? First and foremost, it was the office of the DPP who alerted the courts to the fact that a juror had breaking this fundamental rule of being a juror. Now, it is also clear to put out there that not only did the office of the DPP and also the JCF, but written forms of the media and the powers that be went out of their way. Well, first and foremost, I will say this. For major tabloids locally to report that there was a video from the phone itself which contains the damning evidence that would ensure a conviction of Vybz Kartel and the co-accused. That information could have only been given to them by either the office of the DPP or the JCF. Now that means they went out of their way to even themselves corrupt these jurors to do what? Create a justifiable conviction, viewers and subscribers. To say that opinions in the streets, opinions of the common man, is that the individual was guilty, to which their plans completely backfired, viewers and subscribers. Remember, no jury should have prejudice towards any individual as a defendant, being that any verdict rendered by individuals who have already had a preconceived bias against the individual, viewers and subscribers, then their ruling, their decision to either convict or release that individual will be based on that preconceived prejudice. So in Vybz Kartel's case, viewers and subscribers, as highlighted, viewers and subscribers, even the time to which the jury was allowed to deliberate, viewers and subscribers, is something to call into question. Veteran attorneys attested to that they have never in their lengthy career seen any judge, whether local or international, send a jury to deliberate at that time, for that short amount of time as well, viewers and subscribers. And then also the failure on the part of the trial judge. Now, as I said, these were major issues that were highlighted, viewers and subscribers. But just the fact that these were issues faced by Vybz Kartel during his trial definitely calls into question procedures of the justice system, viewers and subscribers, in this day and age. We have always heard different individuals are saying that they were not awarded a fair trial. Would that be evidence tampering, or just the fact that fairness was not the mode of conduct during their particular trials, or wherever run-ins they had with the law. But for Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, being the dancehall king, the dancehall hero himself, his case being well documented, being televised, despite the fact that certain powers that be start to use the mainstream media to demonize the artists, and also all the individuals who were co-accused along with Vybz Kartel. We see them even try it with Vanessa Bling. Them go out them way for demonize Vanessa Bling too as well. Everybody who was associated with the camp, viewers and subscribers. The powers that be went out of their way using the written media, certain radio outlets, radio stations, and certain television stations as well. But for the better part, viewers and subscribers, all they did was expose their hand. The fact that outside sources had also played a part in convicting Vybz Kartel, because certain forms of the media already demonized the artist as an individual, to the point that they wanted the public opinion to swing to the point that the public would say, yes, them feel like I'm guilty too, based on what we have seen on TV. Because remember, the public was not there. I was not there, you was not there. Trial judge himself was not there, the DPP was not there. But based on what some people see being televised, viewers and subscribers, people will take that into fact and say, yeah, I saw it go, because that's what the news tell me, and the news never lied to me before. And in truth and in fact, they have done so numerous times, just based on the fact that they were reporting on something that was false. But that's a reason for another time. In this case, viewers and subscribers, we are saying these issues that were highlighted are of major concern in Vybz Kartel's case, and for also every citizen, as this case has revealed that to compensate for the ancient tactics or procedures being used by our court in a 21st century, they have supplemented corruption, viewers and subscribers, because where they lack investigators to investigate their gut notions, then them just use corrupt acts to fill the gap. You can't prove something, say you just say it gossip. You fabricate evidence, you tamper with it, you manipulate it to the point where it can prove what you are saying, not keeping in mind that it will leave a trail saying that you did this. But because them feel like, say, alright, we have the support from the powers that be, so we can cover up what needs to be covered up. This is another 1980s. We are living in the 21st century, viewers and subscribers. Think about it. And in this digital age, we refuse to make certain matters that were well televised and well documented just go as if nobody never see or hear nothing. With some people will forward and say, oh, yo, Ray, and you. Listen to me. I'm going to tell you this. Some of these people are not just naysayers. Some of these people have infiltrated the camp. Yeah. Some of these individuals have painted Gaza t-shirts and rolling in on the camp, but don't want to see the teacher freed. Then all you say, you is a fan of Vybz Kartel, but you do not want to see the individual and the co-accused freed? That's a strange way of support. In my own personal opinion, that's a very strange way of support. To support an individual but not support his freedom. But I see the one called Jayden Chase. the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there to drop a like on the blog from a like where your share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother, check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Yes, comment section open 24/7. And sentiments for those who know and those who don't. Yeah man, I up move settings fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, of course, we will live, love, and prosper until reason again. DM the IG page for the special, Jayden_chase_ for more details.